guys, welcome to Hengxin Traffic video channel. Today we are gonna introduce our LED strobe light SL05A. There are 4 pieces 1 watt or 3 watt LEDs in red, white, amber, and blue. Its voltage is DC 12 or DC 24. We will offer screws for installation. Each light is packed in a PP bag, then in a white box. Let's perform it. There are 4 wires: black, red, yellow, and white. The black one is negative, the red one is positive, and plus our sample is red and white with TRR lens. If you connect yellow one, we can have 19 different patterns. White wire is used for synchronization for 2 lights and above. If you have any questions, welcome to visit our YouTube channel, the name of Hengxin Traffic, or website hengxin.biz. Thanks for watching. See you guys.